It's a cold winter's night. What's Buster up to? Oh, wow! A drawing of some fireworks. Buster's so excited because tonight he's going to a real fireworks display. But wait, he's forgotten something.
Oh.
A nice warm hat. There. Now it's time to go and watch the fireworks. Oh, what's that? Fireworks make loud noises. Oh dear, they frightened Buster. He doesn't like loud noises. Aw, poor Buster. He's shaking. What's Mommy doing? Oh, Buster's toy car makes loud noises, but that's not scary. What's that loud noise? It's Grandpa with a soccer whistle. Buster loves soccer. He doesn't mind that loud noise either. What's that loud noise?
Huh?
Oh, it's popcorn popping. Buster loves popcorn. He doesn't mind that noise. Wow, the fireworks are so pretty. Maybe loud noises aren't so bad after all. Buster's going to give it another try. Whoa! Look at those colorful fireworks!